Introducing the Rexing V2 Pro AI Dashcam, the ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road with unparalleled clarity and convenience. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this dashcam is a must-have for any driver looking to enhance their safety and peace of mind. Experience complete car coverage like never before with the 3-channel recording capability. The front, inside cabin, and rear of your vehicle are completely covered thanks to the wide-angle 170 degrees lens on each camera, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Each camera records in stunning 1080p Full HD at 30 frames per second, providing you with crystal-clear footage. One of the standout features of the V2 Pro AI Dashcam is its artificial intelligent dashcam technology. This innovative system detects potential hazards and alerts you in real time. With features like front collision warning and pedestrian alert, you'll receive timely notifications to help you stay safe on the road. The lane departure warning feature ensures that you stay in your lane, providing an added layer of protection. Stay connected and in control with the built-in Wi-Fi and mobile app. Instantly view and manage your dash cam recordings on your iOS or Android devices. Download your videos directly to your smartphone and easily share them on social media. You can even track your driving route on Google Maps using the Rexing GPS player. The Rexing V2 Pro AI Dashcam is designed for your convenience. The loop recording feature allows you to choose between 1, 3, or 5-minute intervals for seamless and continuous recording. The gravity sensor detects impacts while driving and locks the video for disputes, ensuring that you have the evidence you need. Additionally, the parking monitor feature automatically turns on and records video when the camera detects vibration, even if your car is parked and turned off. Installation is a breeze with a straightforward windshield mount. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated live customer support is just a call or email away. Plus, with our 18-month warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that we stand behind our product. Upgrade your driving experience with the Rexing V2 Pro AI Dashcam. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your safety on the road. Click the link in the description of this video and start enjoying the benefits of this high-quality dashcam today.